All right, guys, we got you a 2008 Chevy Tahoe LTZ 6.2 liter. Beautiful car. I love those motors, the 6.2s. They really sound good on these. Factory converter, there and there. Then no third cat, which is even better. So it's gonna sound really nice. Got a what we put on it is that Flow FX. Where's the box? 3-inch in, 3-inch out. Part number 71419. Thank you, Mr. Jarrett. Flow FX. Then we added a 3-inch pipe to complete the look, to complete it to the tailpipe that's 3-inch. Then we did a 3-inch tailpipe because we deleted the resonator and put a 5-inch double wall tip to complete it, to make it look and sound phenomenal. There's the resonator and there's the muffler we cut off. You can see this thing is massive, so it's good we took it off. We took both of them off. So he gained about 30 pounds, or lost 30 pounds, and got a beautiful sound. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Much better. That's clean. It's a really nice and deep sound. Here's sound decibels. Again. 106. What are you doing, man? You almost hit me. You better get out of the way. You see, I'm going to record you. You're in the way. Oh, do it again. Do it again.
Do it again.
Oh! He's only burning one side. Yeah! Lincoln going crazy. There we go. Much better. All right, go ahead and back it out. That sounds good. That sounds perfect. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Tahoe LTZ. Flow FX, resonator delete, 5-inch tip. Bring in the white van.